Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Kia Sportage plug-in hybrid. First, locate the charging port, typically found on the driver's side rear fender. Next, identify the correct charging cable for your power source, usually a J1772 connector. Firmly insert the cable into the vehicle's port until it clicks into place, ensuring a secure connection. Confirm the charging indicator light illuminates, signaling that power is flowing to your battery. Your Sportage PHEV supports both Level 1 and Level 2 charging. Level 1 uses a standard 120-volt household outlet, providing a full charge in about 12 hours. For faster charging, Level 2 utilizes a 240-volt source, reducing the charge time to approximately 2 hours. Many public charging stations offer Level 2, making it convenient for quick top-ups while you are out and about. For optimal battery health and safety, always charge your Sportage PHEV in a dry, well-ventilated area. Inspect your charging cable and outlet for any damage before each use. Never use frayed or compromised equipment. It is also wise to monitor your vehicle's charging status through the infotainment system or a connected app. This helps you track progress and ensures the charging process is proceeding as expected. To maximize your electric range, consider preconditioning your cabin temperature while the vehicle is still plugged in. This uses grid power instead of battery power for heating or cooling. Also, make the most of regenerative braking, which captures energy during deceleration to recharge the battery. Driving smoothly and avoiding aggressive acceleration will further extend your electric miles. And for more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.